Hey all you tigers, Coach Paap here. Today we're going to be going over a tutorial on the purple people eater dance. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with our first steps. You're going to do 4 steps on the right, just a heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to do a heel toe on the left foot now. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to give me a jump forward, a jump backwards, and then 3 jumps in the same spot. 1, 2, 3. You're going to repeat that whole thing again. 4 heel toes on the left, a jump forward, jump back, and 3 in the same spot. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that you're going to repeat twice. Okay? After that, then the song is going to say the flying purple people eaters. It's going to say one-eyed, one-eared, flying purple people eaters. It's going to say it again. One-eared, one-eyed, flying purple people eaters. One-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eaters. So do that 3 times. Then you're going to give me a spin, 4-step spin, clap, and you're going to go right back into the same thing with those heel toes at the beginning. Okay? Let's practice this. Are you ready?
Well, I saw the thing coming out of the sky. It had a one long horn and one big eye. I commenced to shaking and I said, ooh, it looks like a purple people eater to me. It was a one-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater. A one-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater sure looks strange to me. Oh, well, he came down to earth and he hid in a tree. I said, Mr. Purple People Eater, don't eat me. I heard him say in a voice so gruff,
I wouldn't eat you 'cause you're so tough.
it was a one-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater. One-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater. One-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater sure looks strange to me. I said, Mr. Purple People Eater, what's your line? He said, I eat purple